Thanks for staying with us. From a passion for food to a thriving culinary brand, it's the story of Jabba Seafood and Tapas. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
The idea of a restaurant began simmering in Jonathan Simpson's mind after life took an unexpected turn in 2017. It was then that his nickname Jabba was given a new lease on life. When I was in school and right after school, I used to sell like barbecue chicken as a little side hustle on a Saturday. While I was working at the bank, I started doing pepper shrimp as another side hustle. So I used to sell shrimp within my department at the bank. I used to sell shrimp to other institutions around my business place. And then we went through a redundancy, and that redundancy exercise, I think, was kind of the push that kind of pushed me into entrepreneurship. 7 years later, what started as a venture in his home kitchen has expanded to 2 bustling restaurant locations, one in Kingston and the other in Ocho Rios. The first investment came from the redundancy. So, typically when you're working at any of these financial institutions, any business in Jamaica really, they run a redundancy exercise, usually based on the amount of years that you're working there. There's some sort of a payout that they pay for your years of service, and so that money was what I really used to start the business. Yeah.
How much money was that?
I would say a couple million. Now customers flock to enjoy not only his signature pepper shrimp available in supermarkets island-wide, but also his seafood dishes that are quickly becoming customers' favorite. We do local seafood like the escovitch fish, steamed fish. We do some pastas. We do Jamaican lunch specials. A little bit of Asian twist to some of our dishes as well. As the business continues to grow, so does the team behind it. What began with just one friend helping out has now expanded to a dedicated team working together to maintain its momentum. Every year, I think that we've done probably double what we've done the year before. Overall, our expectation is to continue growing at the rate that we're going by just keeping a high quality product and trying to keep up good service for the customer. But like any journey at sea, the waters sometimes have been choppy. One of the biggest challenges you always face is just money, because in order to scale the business that you want, it requires you to get money. I haven't really taken on a lot of debt with this business, so most of what we do is just based off of revenue. Also, just trying to always stay fresh, stay relevant to the customers, trying to keep the consistency with the products that we supply. Now, Mr. Simpson is casting his net wider and has even greater plans on the horizon. We are looking at the possibility of diversifying the pepper shrimp product. Because we just do pepper shrimp. A lot of people have been asking for like the headless version. There's some people who are saying, maybe you could do a jerk pepper shrimp, or you could do a, sweet and spicy. And so that's something that we're toying with, and also trying to see if it's something that the market is really looking for. For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.